Hi guys, this is half of Rose's and Thor's puppies, because she had 9, and 9 in one pen is a lot. So there are 3 girls and 2 boys in this litter, or this section. So Orange is a boy, and No Collar is a boy. The white one is a girl, and she's available. See, look at my cute, adorable face with the blades. Yellow wants some attention. This is Yellow. She's on hold for right now until we get DNA results back, but if not, then she'll be available, as well as the green color. Come on. Uh-oh. So these guys are going to be 7 weeks on Sunday. We're doing a little early, because the one puppy they're in with turned 7 weeks last Monday. So we just did it in the middle, huh? Just in the middle. You guys are so cute. Just had 9 fawns and sables. Oh yeah? That is so sad. What's wrong? You want to play with your zipper? Oh, hello. You're the cutest. You have the cutest little place. Hi. They don't know if you're available. They don't know. What are you doing over there? You really like that dragon, don't you? The dragon is cool. Hi. So they'll be getting their first shot on Sunday when they turn 7 weeks. Come on, you guys are becoming big dogs. They have already been microchipped, so they're good. After that, they only have 3 more weeks before they can go home. Huh. So I have to make sure you do your reading again, make sure your puppy safe area is set up. We do have supplies here if you need it. Like the Snuggle Puppy, which is really good for the first couple nights. It has a heartbeat and it helps calm them down because they're all by themselves. Want the puppy? The puppy? Puppy puppy? No? You're very chill, aren't you? You're very chill. No, now I'm just over there killing the dragon. Oh, you're gonna get the slipper now? You're just a sit back and watch kind of puppy, aren't you? Hey. What you guys seeing? So if you guys are wanting a tour, come see our adult dogs or our puppies, just give us a call. Make an appointment. We'll show you everything. You can sit down and play with puppies. See which one speaks to you. Ow. You got be nice. You have sharp teeth. Now you want to go outside? What's up with that? They are using litter boxes, so for your safe area, I'd suggest having a litter box. Especially with the yucky weather outside. Look at that little butt. Look at that little tail. You got little wrinkles over it. And you want to make sure you have your vet set up who's familiar with flat-faced breeds. You do not need to make an appointment for your puppy until 13 weeks. So they will have their vet check at about 9 weeks. And then we'll give them their second shot. So you don't need to take them in until their 3rd shot at 13 weeks. Lessen the exposure for them. Huh. Lessen that exposure. What's wrong? Come over here and join the party. Oh, you gonna take the slipper? Maybe I was playing with that. There you go. Get your brother in on that. There you go. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait. I won't look at you anymore. Hi. And don't forget, we do have 24/7 puppy cams. You can watch the puppies anytime. Keep an eye on what they're doing. And they're working on using the doggy door, going outside. You got that rainbow again? And when they get their vet checks, when they have new mommies and daddies, I will send out their vet checks. I will email them to you. And then we'll also do a group email with all the moms and dads of this litter. So you guys can keep in contact, and if you live close by, you can have little sibling meetup play dates. You lick a lot. You know that? You do. You give lots of kisses. Here's a rainbow. What was that? You're supposed to get the rainbow. You guys are not playing with your new toys. No. What do you guys think, huh? So, don't forget the white collar girl is available. We'll have a couple of other girls in the next group that will be available. What do you guys think? You're not playing with your toys very much. You lick a lot. You know that? You give lots of kisses. You guys are just not playing with your toys. We got cool new toys. We always say baby toys make the best toys. Because they make all the crinkling sounds, and the jingling, and the rattling. Does that get you excited? The rattling get you excited? You smell it? How about this one? This one's a favorite. That's my toe. You get excited over toys that make noise. Hello, it's right here. There you go, right there. You see it? Oh, other puppies are jealous. Hi. Hi. That collar itchy? Yeah, we didn't put new collars on you. Now they're gonna be itchy. Ugh. There you go. What are you doing? You're not doing anything. You're just a calm boy, huh? Super calm. You get that taco. Oh, itchy collar. You get that taco. Get it. You want to hear it speak? Hi. You want the cutest little face. Oh, you let your sister get the taco. And if you own one of these puppies, you can give us a call when you're ready, or you can wait for the vet check to schedule your pickup date, which will be after they turn 10 weeks. You know, they turn 10 weeks on Sundays, so they could go that weekend. Am I not giving you enough attention? Well, come here. Oh, I'm gonna get the narwhal now. Your brother's stepping on it. Oh, that was it, you guys. We gotta go to your siblings now. Alright, you guys say bye.